In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Mercury bank account for non-US residents. It might seem like a daunting process at first glance, but trust me, with the right guidance and preparation, you'll find it quite straightforward. Let's start off by understanding what's possible with Mercury. This digital banking setup allows non-US residents to open business accounts provided that certain criteria are met. It's crucial to know that the business generally needs to be a US company or at least operate in designated jurisdictions. Additionally, Mercury tends to favor businesses with US operations or those targeting the US market specifically. Now let's move on to what you'll likely need to make this process as smooth as possible. First, ensure your business is a registered entity in a supported jurisdiction. For many, this means having a US LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Company. Next, you will need an employer identification number, abbreviated as EIN, or an equivalent identifier. Think of it as the business's social security number. It's a unique identifier required for tax purposes and other legalities. As we move forward, don't forget personal identification. Since you're a non-US resident, a valid passport works best to verify your identity with Mercury. It stands as a primary proof of identity needed during the application process. Additionally, having a physical address is a must. Here, a common misconception is that a virtual mailbox or a simple P.O. box will suffice. However, Mercury typically requires a physical address, either commercial or residential. It's important to have this ready to avoid any delays during your application. Furthermore, evidence of your business activity or a business plan can play a significant role. This is especially pertinent for foreign applicants, as Mercury might want to see some proof that your business is active and planning to contribute to the US economy in some way. It's all about having the right documents in place and ensuring they meet Mercury's requirements. While you might feel tempted to rush through, taking a bit of extra time to double-check every detail makes a huge difference. This preparation ensures your application is processed smoothly and without unnecessary holds or requests for further information. Remember, once Mercury receives all your documents and your application is in motion, they generally conduct a thorough review. So having everything prepared and correctly submitted the first time enhances your chances of success. With these steps clarified, you're well on your way to setting up your business banking needs with Mercury, even as a non-US resident. So there you have it. That's how you open a Mercury bank account as a non-US resident entrepreneur. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your business journey.